Welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. I'm Justin. Today we're going to be transplanting lettuce leaf basil. We're going to be getting it into some bigger pots so that way it can start growing. Today we're going to be using Fox Farm. It's got earthworm castings and it's good with aeration and helping the plants grow. So I'm going to walk you through some of it. You fill up the pot you're going to be transplanting in. Okay. Using a Easter egg my boys put in here. It works best. So get that dirt in there. You're going to want to put a little bit of extra in there. This is kind of dry right now, and so once you get it wet, the dirt will compact down. Make a nice spot for the plant. Okay. You're going to come in here from the base of the plant. Okay. You're going to lightly grab it and pinch. Okay, on this pony pack, you're going to pinch it. It'll loosen up the roots. Okay, you're going to bring it up. See it? These roots are growing really nice. I don't know if you can see that very well. Normally, if they're bound at the bottom, you'll want to break them up a little bit. That way they can expand in the soil. These aren't that bad. I'll still break it up for you a bit just to let you see how it's done. Okay, so break up the roots a bit. That'll allow it to not bind up in the soil. It'll allow it to grow some. So I put a little bit too much in there. I'll take them out. Okay. All right. Get that down in there, and then just fill around it. Okay. All right. And that's the lettuce leaf basil. I'll keep planting a couple more. Alright guys, we got those all planted. Now these are going to stay a little bit longer in the seed growing room, and before we bring them out to the garden this summer, we're going to transfer them to the greenhouse, kind of get them acclimated to the environment so they don't get shocked putting them out in the cold nights. Alright guys, well, I had a good time planting with you tonight. If you want to see more videos and do more planting, make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, and have a good evening. Good night.